Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, we are leading into Wednesday's Fed rate hike. Jerome Powell will be speaking 30 minutes after our Fed rate hike data comes out. Where are we going to possibly continue on to from here, as we are anticipating Powell leading into Wednesday? In my opinion, as you guys can see, we have an indecisive candle, an uncertain move here after we did have a momentum candle to the upside. So in my opinion, we're looking to see if we continue bullish from here. If we do have a pullback, again, just looking to see if we continue on below our 50-day moving average here. And again, we are crossing with our 20, looking to see if we can cross above our 50 to see if we can get that continuation. At this point, we are looking to see if we can get some type of bullish move coming off of our 20-day moving average, again, getting that possible momentum candle and engulfing candle. If we do follow with another doji candle going into tomorrow, if we do continue on above 390, then we can reach 400. In my opinion, that would be that level we're looking for. If we are going to anticipate Powell possibly pivoting going into tomorrow, then that's what we would be looking for. As far as that continuation on lower, just looking to see if we can hold 380 and looking to see if we can hold our 50-day moving average. If we drop down below our 50 and our 20 does start to curl down, then we could look for that possible bearish move, and we could be possibly coming down to our fifth wave. So again, looking for exactly what Powell has to say going into Wednesday, in my opinion, is going to be the better play. What exactly he mentions, if he mentions that we're going to have a 75-point base rate hike, but mentions leading into the next meeting that we could possibly have a 50-point base rate hike, then the market can react to that possible pivot leading into our next rate hike, and we will be just looking to see if we do hold our 20-day, see if we can get momentum off of it if Powell does mention that. However, if he does mention that we do have a 50-point base rate hike this Wednesday, then the market will definitely rally, and that'll be definitely because of midterms coming up, and that would be that confirmation on anticipation leading into midterms. So again, the market will definitely rally if we do get a 50-point base rate hike. But again, looking to see if we do continue on above our overall channel here. If we do continue on higher, again, just below 410, looking to see if we do continue on above it and get that confirmation, get that possible engulfing candle like we had here above our channel at this point. So again, just looking for confirmation. Now looking at our overall strength, again, looking at our MACD, again, we did break above our previous buy pressure point. We're getting another white shaded line coming in, looking to see if we're going to get a continuation with that white shaded line on that anticipation leading into Powell, like we mentioned from yesterday. Looking to see if we continue on with white shaded lines leading into Wednesday on that anticipation. And again, depending on what Powell says, we're either going to continue on with increases in buy pressure and our EMA lines will continue on higher. But however, if he does mention that we're not going to have a Fed pivot, and he does mention even a possible 100-point base rate hike, then our EMA lines can continue on lower and we can have that possible rejection and possible sell-off. So again, we want to make sure we are careful. So again, Powell will definitely be the watch going into this Wednesday on exactly what he has to say. As you guys can see, on a slight cool off on our RSI, we do have a pullback. We are not pointing up. So again, looking to see if we continue on above our previous high on our RSI to see if we can continue on back into overbought territory. And again, if Powell does mention that possible Fed pivot or does mention that we have a 50-point base rate hike, which is again lower than our prior 3 Fed rate hikes at 75-point bases, then we can have that rally into overbought territory. However, we can definitely drop down below the median of RSI very easily if he does mention anything on any type of panic, again, possible 100-point base rate hike, or doesn't mention anything about a possible Fed pivot leading into our next meeting. So again, just looking to see exactly what he mentions. Again, we have not got any major decreases in CPI. Again, our inflation reports have not been anything significant from our prior CPIs. So again, there is no clear evidence, in my opinion, of decreases in CPI like he mentioned in all of his previous meetings on that possible Fed pivot that we would need. And as you guys can see with jobless reports, we have been having sell-offs because jobs are higher than the Feds probably are looking for. And in my opinion, if Powell does give us that possible rejection and we do sell off, then there would still be no surprise here. So again, just keeping that in mind, we're going to see exactly what Powell has to say and just being careful leading into this Wednesday. However, again, overall, if we are looking for longs, again, you're thinking, when exactly should I be playing long into the market? Is this the bottom? Is this exactly what I should be thinking? In my opinion, again, like I said, we want to break above this channel here to see if we can get confirmation above it. Look for that bullish confirmation with our candle structures. Again, we could get an engulfing candle like we did prior and showing us that respect on our 20-day and on the upper end of our channel. So again, we are looking for that confirmation as well. Now, as far as shorting the market at this point, again, you would be definitely playing into the fact that Powell would be very hawkish. And as you guys can see, we are jumping into the upper end of our Bollinger Band. So again, this is showing us a lot of strength. So if anything, we're looking for that continuation on above 390. If we have a pullback leading into tomorrow, that major move, in my opinion, will definitely be what Powell has to say on that possible hawkish statement that he may have. Or again, we could have that bullish statement leading into midterms, and that could be that rally. So again, just keeping an eye on exactly what Powell has to say on Wednesday is very key. At this point, again, sitting on a doji candle, having a slight pullback, an indecisive candle, looking to see exactly what Powell has to say leading into this Wednesday. Now, again, with that said, if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for very volatile breakouts, we mention them every single day in the Instables room, only for $15 a month. You guys will never miss a breakout like today again. And again, all of you Instables that come over every single day relay and support the channel. I appreciate you guys. Again, everybody that has been commenting and being very supportive. Honestly, I appreciate you guys more than you guys can imagine. Much love to every one of you guys. From me to you, I appreciate you guys, seriously. And also, I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Again, just taking what the market gives us. If you guys are, again, just taking what the market gives us. If you guys are focused in the instables room, again, just we've had very consistent plays out the gate, if you guys have noticed. So again, very nice plays that we've had. Just taking what the market gives us, guys. Much love to every one of you guys. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.